Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm back with another DIY sheath idea. I actually got this idea from Dominic Menischetti, and what it is when I bought these clips, you know, for to put the molly through, they came with a bunch of these little, well, these, and I got basically. They sent me 6, so that gave me an idea from watching Dominic Menischetti, my brother from another mother. He did a sheath, but for another knife. But the knife reminded me of a Mora. Now Mora has got these clips back here, and maybe I'll use the other camera and give you a better close-up. All right, I'm on my dining room table. Of course, I got a mess everywhere. Lighters, stuff. So as I said, a little close up, got these little clips here, and I got a number of them. Blades everywhere. So anyway, the back of the Morris sheath, as you can see, it's got this little lip. I hope that shows up, but see how it's got that little lip on there? Well, what I did is I put one of these clips right through that. I get this clip and I hooked it right on here. Well, that would be a perfect place to hang my webbing. So I'll put the webbing through here and just do a simple loop, and I'll have now a dangler. There's gonna be a little bit of play, but you know, for something I didn't have to go out and purchase, you know, I don't mind that at all. And I can, if I want to take this off, I could just simply remove it, which is not easy to do, by the way. Getting these things off is a pain. Getting it on there was kind of a pain too, but I'll probably just leave them on there since I have 5 of these. But, you know, and like I said, I didn't have to go out and purchase anything. So I went and picked up got the suggestion from Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors. I went and got some E6000 flexible industrial strength adhesive. So let's I'm literally going to glue the webbing on. Maybe I'll do this. Alright, so unfortunately I cannot get this off because of the because of that loop going up on the side here. So if you do put these on there, be sure that you want it on there. So, because you're not gonna get it off. I might have to cut it to get it off. So, builder beware. So let's go ahead and put the webbing on this one, and let's go from there. All right. So, moving right along. That was a god-awful cut. Wasn't straight at all. Alright. Just trash the whole thing. Fortunately, I've got plenty. I just want it square, I don't want it angled. So let me fight with this off camera. Take 2. Just make sure you have a good sharp pair of scissors. And then, let's see. Come on. Work with me here. Burn it so it doesn't fray. Okay. And then that length should be good enough. So I'm going to run this through. What I want to very simply do here is just Put a little adhesive on here. And then attach that. Now what I want to do is, I found that there is a pinch point with these. So what I've got is I've just got a couple dollar store popsicle sticks, and I'm hoping that I can use these to expand out the make the surface area flatter, just like that. So there you go. And then I'll let this dry. So I'll pick this up. Well, I'll let this dry, and then I'll let it sit here overnight and dry, and then tomorrow we'll go take a look at it, and then I'll show you from there. So, all right. So to be honest, it's actually been like a week. No. 4 or 5 days, just been busy working, haven't gotten back to this. So I'm gonna wrap this up and show you what we got. So I'll probably use the other camera for better close-up. All right, so I've been kind of working on this off camera while I'm prepping my lunch, but because of the clip not working out on this one, I decided I would try paracord. And what some idea was, is I just tied the loops together. I just used a fisherman's knot, which is a knot on each side, and you just pull it together. And then I just tied it like this. Now, as you can, I tried a little one, wasn't enough. I tried a little bit bigger one, wasn't enough. So I finally had to do about a foot of paracord. But now I'm thinking I can just do that and then attach and run one of these through the cord in the same manner as these, which I'll have to wait till tomorrow because I only have 2 of these bigger clips. But maybe I could glue this on, or maybe when I get home I can take it off and then re-glue this. And then, how am I going to run this through though? So that won't work. What I might have to do is I might have to untie all this and then run it through first and then tie it off. So, alright, so I pulled the popsicle sticks off the other day actually, and they worked really well for creating I'm in dire need of cleaning right now. So yeah, I pulled these off the other day while I was waiting for something to cook, and it's got a nice this much spot, but that's pretty solid to me. I could cut along here and trim it up, but I don't think I'm going to bother. So I can just hang this off my belt, tuck this away behind, so it's got a nice clean dangler. This is not attached to anything yet, but I'll show you what it looks like on the other knife. Where's the other knife? Actually, before I do that, I should probably... I've been trying like hell to get this off. It's just not coming off. I might have to take a hacksaw and cut the plastic. So you're not going to lose your knife from this point. So, unfortunately. But, this is kind of how it came out. It's, this one worked out nice because it's good and flush. I don't know if I could get that off, but I wouldn't need to because I got the, I would just run this over the belt loop as is, tuck this behind, run it to your belt loop, and then you have, well, let me show you a lot of camera hopping. So, you got yourself a nice level belt loop for your Mora. So you just run your belt through, hangs nice and flat. Like I said, you're not getting these plastics off. They're on there really well. So I would almost be prepared to cut them off if you have to. Like, I think I'm gonna have to do that with I literally just had it. Oh, with this one, probably gonna have to cut this off to get it off. It's not coming off. So lesson learned. But with this one here, I was actually toying around with the idea of doing a paracord loop and then just running it through like this. I think a couple people mentioned paracord, and you just run that through like this. Now this knot part here might be a problem, but if I can tuck it behind the clip here, or I was thinking if I could push it through this hole somehow, that might be pretty nice. Can I get it through? Got my little, I should pull these out of my fishing so I could get in. There we go. So just pull that through there. And now I've got a dangler with that knot. So if I glue on a new strap here, actually I wouldn't have to. I just well, how would I do that? Well, that's just an idea. I was thinking maybe paracord, but although I guess I could run the paracord just through the belt loop. So maybe we'll experiment a little bit with that. So that's 2 danglers done. That I'm not totally happy with this, but I'm not unhappy with it, and I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. That glue is pretty damn good. So props to Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors who suggested it, and I still have a lot of it left, and I only spent $5 on it, so money. So I'm gonna be redoing this one because I'm not super happy and I don't like how floppy it is. So I think what I'm probably gonna do is just cut the whole thing off and then redo it. So let's go ahead and just see, it's this that's the problem, and this looks like crap. So I think I'm gonna, I'm probably gonna reuse, but I think what I'm gonna do is wrap the webbing through the loop here, just bring it around tight towards the back and just glue it on there and just stick it like this and then let it glue. I might just glue the webbing but not the sheath itself, because if I want to take it off I can just cut it, because you know I've got an entire roll left. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do that in another video, and I gotta probably chop that off, I think, only because it doesn't fit flat. So, and I'm not happy with how that sits. So, and these things, I still have, I still have 2 more of these. Do I have 2 more? Like I said, I gotta clean. Everything's a mess. I still have 2 more of those, and I still have 5 more of these, so I can still do something. If you have any suggestions, it would be appreciated. I'm probably gonna be running over on time, so I'm gonna go ahead and thank you for watching, and if you got any ideas or suggestions or maybe videos, I'd be appreciated if you wish to share, and maybe we can kick some ideas back and forth. I already got one video idea from Dominic Menischetti, as I said, and you know, loving it. I don't do a lot of DIY on my channel, but damn it, 4 minutes. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one.